Welcome back to our channel. Today we are about to embark on an exciting journey of transforming a standard and mundane college dorm room into a space that truly represents you and enhances your college experience. As a student, your dorm room is more than just a place to sleep. It's your space, your study, your hub, and a backdrop of countless memories. So let's dive into this comprehensive guide on how to elevate your college life through interior design. One of the key challenges in dorm room is dealing with limited space, but fear not. I have got ingenious space planning and layout ideas that will help you to maximize every square inch. We will discuss strategies for arranging furniture, utilizing vertical spaces, and creating functional zones within your room. Colors can significantly impact our mood and productivity. In this section, we will delve into the fascinating world of color psychology, discover which color schemes can inspire creativity, promote relaxation, and boost energy levels. We will guide you through selecting the perfect color palette that resonates with your personality and goals. Dorm rooms are notorious for their lack of storage spaces, but we have got some brilliant solutions. Join us as we explore innovative storage hacks, including underbed organization, over the door caddies, and custom built shelving units. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to an organized, stress free environment. Your dorm room should reflect your unique style and personality. We will guide you through the art of personalization, from decorating your walls with artwork, posters, and photos to incorporate soft furnishing like curtains, rugs, and throw pillows. This is where your creativity can shine. College is all about academics too. We will help you set a study zone that is conducive to learning and productivity. From ergonomically designed desks to smart organization tools, we will cover everything you need to create the ideal study space. Get ready to ace those exams. After all the planning, designing, and hard work, it's time for the grand reveal. Watch as your dorm room transforms from basic space into a stylish and functional heaven that you will be proud to call home. Get ready to be amazed. As we conclude to our journey through the world of college dorm room interior design, I want to emphasize the transformative power of creativity and personalization. Your dorm room is not just a space, it's a canvas where you can express your unique identity, create lasting memories, and embark on the exciting adventure of college life. Remember that the key to truly remarkable dorm room is not the size or the budget, but the thought and care you put into it. It's about making your space reflection of your dreams and inspirations, a place where you can find inspiration and solace, and a heaven that supports your academic and personal growth. I encourage you to take the ideas and inspiration from this video and make them your own. Thank you for joining us on this incredible design adventure. If you have any question, comments, or would like to share your own dorm room design tips and experience, so do in the comments section below. Your feedback and engagement are what make this community so vibrant. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and hit that notification bell so you would never miss an update. Happy decorating. Thank you.